Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rise and Dine. Today we are at Cafe Landwer. Wait till you see this gigantic breakfast.
Good morning, everybody.
Welcome back to Rise and Dine. And if you're new with us, I am Stacy.
And I'm Bob.
And if you're returning, thanks so much. And please consider subscribing.
Yes. And for you new people that are just jumping on for the first time, every week we drop a new video. Generally, it has to do with breakfast in Las Vegas, but sometimes we go on the road and we go to Hawaii and this place
Travel
or that
things,
place.
yep,
And we do a show there.
So
but primarily it's here.
Yes, all of our breakfast places are off strip.
Yes.
They're mom and pop. They're specific breakfast lunch. We love them, and we just wanted to encourage those businesses and the families that run them. We've met some great people. So today we are at a newly opened.
Yes.
And they are breakfast, lunch, and dinner, not just breakfast, lunch only. But it is Cafe Landwer. But I think it's German, so
yes,
Landwer.
they are newly opened here.
Yes.
But they originally opened in 1919
In Berlin.
In Berlin.
So,
And you know, you could tell them the whole story because you read the back of the menu.
so it started in Berlin, and it was the first coffee roasting house in Berlin. And then that was 1919. By 1933, the family got out of there and moved to Tel Aviv. And they opened the first coffee roasting business in Tel Aviv. And so for decades, they ran restaurants in Israel. There were factories in Holon, and then it became franchised to chains. There's like 80 in Israel. So not until 2018.
2008, they came to the States.
That's when they came to the States and started to make inroads here. So as you know, we're coffee fiends.
And if you're going to make inroads in the United States as a restaurant, you eventually are coming to Las Vegas.
Yes.
And we are the beneficiaries of it. And here we are in lovely Boca Park, one of my favorite places, Tivoli Village in Boca Park. And that's where they're located.
So we're looking forward to their coffee because that's their thing.
Yes.
So we got the house blend coffee.
And that's our thing too.
So stick with us because it's coming.
Yes.
It's here.
And you know what time this is. Because every week I make such a big deal about tasting the coffee because, you know, hey, I love
And
coffee.
this
What can I say?
is a restaurant with a history of coffee roasting. This is their house blend.
The color looks great. Add a little cream, I just want to say, right off the bat.
Yeah? All right. Personal preference, it's slightly nuttier than is my favorite. But that
That's
said,
an enjoyable cup of coffee.
it's a very full flavored coffee.
Yeah. It almost leans. This is going to sound really, really. It almost leans to the Kona side of things.
It does.
Just a touch. I know. You're probably
I know.
listening to me thinking, what a schmuck. What does he know about coffee? I'm just telling you, I drink
there.
it a lot. And here we go. This is a lovely cup, by the way.
It is a nice shaped cup.
And they got their logo on it. It's very, very nice.
All right.
But I like it.
All right. The menu. This looks really delicious. So, of course, it leans Middle Eastern, coming out of Israel, and we did another breakfast at a Vasquer's, which was delicious. This has a lot more full Mediterranean options, and there's lovely things here into dinner time and lunchtime. But for breakfast, what I'm looking at is maybe Landwer's pancakes. Those look delicious, or the breakfast waffle. But they have a full selection of lovely breakfast things, and then paninis, and you know how Bob loves a shakshuka. They actually have 3 kinds on this menu, and it's amazing. A delicious dessert menu, and so many drinks, loads of hot beverages, cold beverages, Belgian hot chocolate. Come on now. House blend, there's a million milkshakes, all kinds of smoothies. I actually might need to have the Moroccan mint iced tea because that sounds fabulous. Or Landwer's famous iced tea, which has a berry brew with fruit and pomegranate. Oh my gosh. All right, that sounds yummy too. Anyway, loads to have here. I'm looking forward.
Shakshuka. I was pronouncing it incorrectly all this time. I don't know how many shows we did where I ordered this and I said it wrong. Shakshuka. In my world growing up, this was eggs in purgatory. That's the Italian thing. This is now Israeli Mediterranean, and the proper way is shakshuka. This is an amazing setup here. I got to dig right in. This is the Mediterranean version. So it's got eggplant, it's got some feta cheese, incredible bread, tahini, a salad. Fantastic. Here we go. I don't even know where to begin. Oh, that's good. I'm going to burn myself, but here we go. Wow. Oh, God, that's hot. If I touch the skillet, I'm going to the emergency room. There we go. Best bread we've ever had in any breakfast show we've ever done. Right here. Unbelievable. Now I'm going to have a little salad because I need to cool my tongue a little bit. Wow. I'm so glad this place is here. Come on, people. Boca Park. This is the real deal.
Okay, not only were we saying shakshuka wrong, because I think if we actually paid attention to spelling, we probably would have had it right. But second correction, this is Landwer, because it's a German word, German name. W is a V. Landwer. So that's the name of the place. I ordered the Landwer famous breakfast. This is a freaking feast. All right. Eggs. Honestly, usually I say like, how much can you mess up eggs? These are delicious. These are better than the average scrambled egg. These are good. All right. I have this same little salad that Bob has. So simple. It's just cucumber and tomato and parsley. Delicious. This is so big, I need 2 chairs. You need a table for 4 if you order this and you're only 2 people. I need a table for 4. All right. So, 1, look at that. Come on now. That's amazing. Then we have, now I'm sure I'll say this wrong, because I always do, tzatziki. Oh my God, this bread. Oh my God, this bread. Okay, now we have a hummus. Looks like with some artichoke, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, a little artichoke in there. Man, that's good. Wow. There's like this lemony element to it with the artichoke. I don't know what it is. It's delicious. Oh my God. All right. Clearly this looks like avocado. And it is. Fabulous bread. And a million things to eat with it. Fabulous. And then there's a little jam. And there's a little honey for this yogurt. So, look how cute this is. Look at this little honey dipper with its own little thing. Look at that. All right. This is amazing. Okay. Look at the tiny spoon. Little mini spoon. It's a plain yogurt. It's not a vanilla yogurt. It's not a sweetened yogurt. It's not quite a Greek yogurt either, but delicious with little blueberries and the granola on it. All right. Last thing to try, the jam. You got it. Everything's on the plate. You got to try. Delicious. But wait, there's more.
I tell you, we just finished our meal, and they were bussing the table, and we met the owner, Amir, and we were just chatting, telling him, about the channel, what we do, and he brought this giant plate of, I could smell the chocolate right now. It is unbelievable. I can't wait to dig in.
Rugelach.
How do you pronounce this?
Rugelach. It's probably the proper.
It's warm. Oh my God.
It's probably the proper word for rugelach. Rugelach. What is the rugelach? Because that's what it looks like. So that's my guess.
All right. The hot chocolate is probably.
It's warm. Oh
yeah.
my God.
Oh jeez. Here we
It's
go.
straight out of the oven. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, it's Nutella, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nutella in like a swirled pastry around it. This is really stunning. I am so happy this place is here right now because there's so much on the menu that I have to come for lunch. Oh my God. What was that? Unbelievable. So while she's chewing and swallowing, I'll continue. So Cafe Landwer started in 1919, but now, many years later, over 100 years later, they're here in Boca Park.
Just opened 3 months ago.
Yes, on Charleston and Rampart. And Boca Park in Tivoli Village, we said, we love it. And this place is awesome. What a space they have. It's decorated beautifully. The food is amazing. Service is fantastic.
The patio looks lovely.
Oh,
when the
yeah.
weather's not quite as hot or windy, that's going to be a great
When it gets
spot.
under 100,
We'll try that
Yes.
in the evening. Also, I have a correction. In my breakfast, the thing I thought was sort of a different kind of hummus, that's actually called scardelia. Hopefully I got that right. And after asking... Scordelia. It's potato and almonds and garlic. All smooshed in deliciousness.
in its hummus texture.
Yes, it is a hummus texture. So we are taking home 4 containers because I am not wasting one tablespoon.
Well, 5 because we're taking home the remainder of this
1, 2,
dessert.
5 containers because I'm not wasting any of this.
The portions here are, well, you saw, are huge.
And delicious. Just goodness gracious. So, if you're visiting and I don't know, visiting from anywhere,
and you're not staying on the Strip and you're staying at the Suncoast or the JW, you're a stone's
right
throw
down the
away.
street.
You're right here.
If you're at the Durango, you can head up north. Not too big a deal. You can be here pretty quick. And then maybe if you really want to, and you're staying downtown, you could come straight west on Charleston, and you could try it here. Try it there. So you can get here. There are ways if you're visiting.
If you want good food and you want to get off the Strip or downtown, you want to try see what Vegas is like, where the locals eat. Come
here.
on.
It's delicious.
Vegas truly is a city of great international food. And we did the show on that, and this just is like an exclamation point to that.
When I was growing up, that was not the case.
No.
When I was growing up, you could get steakhouses in the hotels.
And buffets.
And maybe here and there was Mexican food that was pretty decent. Now that I've had really amazing Mexican food, I'm not sure I can even say that. Italian, there was good Italian. That's it. End of story. Now, you can get anything. Anything.
It's unbelievable.
Delicious.
We're very proud of this town.
So, thanks for watching this week.
Next week, who knows where we'll be.
So,
Tune
we'll see
in
you
anyway.
then.
See ya.